Hi, this is Meir from BBY Traders. I'm going to share my recap. Today is August 29th, Thursday, August 29th. So coming into the day, I actually was away in the morning right at the open the first few minutes. I couldn't do my prep properly, and I missed the first few minutes. But I knew that BBY, Best Buy, they were down by 6%. So I took a look at it when I came right away. I came in at like 9:36, 9:37, and I saw that it pulled back to the VWAP. Actually, I was on the 1 minute chart. Here, so I was looking at the 1 minute chart, and I saw this huge dump over here, and then it gave here pullback, here pullback. When I would pull back here, and it held this 63. I decided I'm going to take it for a short. So I got entered at 63.50 roughly, 40 actually, 63.40, and then I covered my first ahead here level at 63, the whole dollar. Then as it was going down, I covered more. Here I covered the 60 when it cracked the whole number. Here I covered more at 62.64. Here I covered more at the half dollar, 62.50. And then I left over a little bit as I was getting feedback that I'm parceling out too. I actually knew that I'm parceling out too quickly, too aggressively. So I wanted to leave a little bit to run to see if I could get. I had another, like, if I could get to the whole dollar, $62. Especially it was extremely weak, but it wasn't selling off. It was holding here at the 62. Couldn't really crack 62.50 with any strength. So as soon as it's covered, as soon as it passed the whole dollar over here, I got all out. So that was my first trade. It was a good trade. I missed this. I had a little FOMO because I missed this because I wasn't around here. There's big drops over here. I came afterwards. I had a little FOMO and I missized. I sized a little too small, especially that it was already after the 5 minutes. The volatility is a little bit lower, so really I could have taken a little more size. So that was my only regrets on this trade. Otherwise, it was a very good trade. I'm glad. I think I managed it well. I got the most I could. I'm happy with my entry, the exits. That's all good. Then I looked over to Dollar Tree, which had reported also today. They were actually up by a little bit, and I saw here on the 5 minute chart it came down to almost PCL, bounced back up to VWAP. It couldn't do anything at VWAP, and then it dumped. So I really had a strong feeling that it's going back down to here at this level, and then this level's like a previous day low or something, I believe, or a previous day high probably, and then PCL. I really had a feeling that it's going that way. So I entered. So it took me 2 steps to get at that. So my first one was over here. I got it at 100, 101 roughly. But then it squeezed against me. I wasn't so confident because it was far away from the VWAP, and I'm not so confident trading at 10 o'clock. I like better the open. I'm more comfortable. I have more experience, like right at the open, first 15-20 minutes. I wasn't so confident, so I got out. Here I got out, but then I saw that it couldn't really break above this 101.50 roughly. So I decided, you know what, let me reshort it again. So I got in at 101.40. It dropped here, broke through 101. I covered some more here at 150, covered some more, too aggressively, again, not that patient. Then it bounced up, so I got scared. So the next drop I covered 129, 100 flat, then all the way down, as you see, this level, and then down to PCL. So this was a very good trade. I'm actually proud. It was a good risk to reward because I wasn't risking a lot because it was my second try already. I was a little bit afraid, but I did have pretty good conviction on this trade, and it worked out well. But I wish I would have been more patient and held more of my position down to the previous day close. But overall, it was a good day, profitable day. I had missed the open, right, the open, and I was a little bit, my head was a little bit not so clear. Because of that, I wasn't as prepared. But I'm glad that it worked out. It was good, so I'm happy. And thank you for watching. And if you have any comments, you can leave them below. Thank you very much.